See, I was also deputy commissioner. When anything complicated comes, we directly, immediately we ring up the chief minister, not other cabinet minister. Directly the chief minister. That such thing is happening. Shall I do like this? We'll ask the approval of the chief minister over phone. If the CM says yes, you can do, we'll do immediately. That means that the council will be administered by the chief minister.
Yes, through the DC.
Through the DC. If it is administered by the chief minister, it is no more autonomous district. See, this is that. What is happening? Now it is going to happen.
This is something which is already happening in the BTC.
Yes, in BTC, they are in a very bad position now. They are a bit ashamed to speak out, but they are in a very bad position. The CM, EM are just sitting like that.
So the Bodo Accord was also a failure in that sense.
Yeah, totally. We knew it very well. I was DC there, so I knew it. I told them, this is you are going to break your own thing. And we are saying against it, because against BTC also, because it is going to affect to us. We knew it.
I saw a statement of, I think, CM Pramod Boro, I think, where he was trying to defend this.
Yes.
He was saying, a lot of corruptions do happen. So, DCs will be given to, they will monitor, so that all the works are done properly. I thought that was a very irresponsible statement to make. What are you saying? You are saying that even after getting power, after getting 6th schedule and council, you are saying that we people are we are corrupt.
Yes,
we are not able to take care of ourselves. We need someone else, someone who are not like us, tribals. They are not corrupt. We need them to monitor us.
This is a foolish thing.
Indirectly, that is the thing that you are saying, admitting that we are corrupt. We cannot control inefficient. We cannot run administration.
So really, if they are inefficient, then they need not have their autonomous council. Actually.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. It is useless. They cannot. But for us, all DCs are not uncorrupt. Some DCs have been arrested and they are in jail. It's the same thing. All people are the same thing. Only because if we are good, if we have to be good from our heart only, then we will be able to administer the country or our district.
This is one thing which I also opposed in an MSc, something which is that under the new government, this new BJP government that is after 2021 last year. So now they are doing cabinet meetings also. They did one in Haflong also. But before the cabinet meeting also, the chief minister and then even some other ministers are also slowly coming. And in council, they are doing review meetings. So the chief minister is coming, sitting in the council, in the CEM's, chief executive member seat, and doing a review meeting. I thoroughly oppose this. What do you mean by review meeting? Okay. So you are saying someone else is coming here, might be the chief minister, but still it is coming to an autonomous area. Autonomy. You have been stressing that word. So they are coming here and saying, okay, you have your council, you are getting this much funds, you are doing this, taking up this work, but I want to review. Show me, how are you doing it? Are you doing it properly? What is it? Whatever. So if we need someone to review us, where is our autonomy?